sent us, or just left there, I guess, and he destroyed a bunch of my slimes, guys, and he also has a video of him destroying him, and he's at the slimeatory. Like, I don't know, he's not at the slimeatory, but he has the slimeatory somewhere weird, and he's just there, and he was ruining these slimes. So now he challenged me to fix them, and if I can fix them, I can have a piece of the slimeatory back. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try and fix these slimes. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because these are completely destroyed. And let's get straight on into the video. But let's just start trying to fix these. So we're gonna start with this one because this is very interesting. So here it is. It's like, this one used to be clear, I think, and I was waiting for it to clear up, but I was so happy about it. But now it's not clear anymore. So yeah, I don't know where these bubbles came from, but let's just poke them. It's very crack-a-lacky. Here it is. It still is kind of clear. It reminds me of Crazy Art Slimes. So I think he put like paint in it. Alright guys, so here is the slime. It's actually pretty good still. To be honest, GF isn't that bad. I mean, he made some pretty good slime. It's just, it looks like a galaxy, so I'm just gonna give it a makeover. I don't really think I need to fix them. Alright guys, so I decided I'm gonna try and make this slime into a jelly slime. So we're gonna put some instant snow and then water. Lots of water. I guess more water. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, I'm gonna put some blue food coloring in this snow because I feel like I wanna try and change this to a different color. You know, at least. Oh, I love it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our snow. That's a lot of snow, I just realized. Okay, let's go ahead and mix it now. Ready, I'm almost done. I think I'm done. Alright, now it is a jelly slime. It's super duper nice. I feel like if we add pink, it'll look really pretty, so I'm gonna add some more pink. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add some more glitters. I think this is the most I can change this color to. Alright, so I'm gonna add some of this holographic glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna add some of these flakes that I just got from Michael's, and they look so nice. Thought they were cool, so I wanted to try it out. We're gonna add these purple and like greenish ones. And I'm gonna add some of these pony beads, princess plastic beads, and yeah. I love these beads so much, and I feel like this will look so cool with them. Alright, you guys, let's mix this. Alrighty, I think it's a bit more activated, but I think I am done. This is all I'm gonna do to it because it's actually pretty nice still. And I don't think I can change the color, otherwise it'll just turn brown, so yeah. Alright guys, let's pick the next one. The next one is gonna be, I think, we'll try this one right here. Oh, this was one of my favorites, guys. It was like a red pigment slime, and it was so beautiful. I guess we're gonna have to make another one, but anyways, here is this one. I don't know what to do, honestly, guys. Like, this is such a mess. Oh wait, no, this is a different one. This was a pink slime. Okay, well, I have no idea what to do. I think first we need to add some lotion to make it softer, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and mix this in. Alright guys, so here it is. I think I softened it a lot. Here it is. Alright guys, so for this one, I think I'm gonna try and make it more blue. So let me just get my blue food coloring. I'm gonna put a bunch of blue, and hopefully that works. Maybe I should have added it slowly. Alright, here it is. That one kind of looks like the sky, like night sky or something, because it's got like stars in it, and it looks so freaking cool, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be putting a bunch of glitters in it, and I'm gonna be putting these little crystal beads, because I kind of feel like it will look so cool, like fishbowl kind of crystal beads. I don't know, let's do this. Alright guys, so here they are. These are so pretty. Then we're gonna add the hollow. These little flakes. Some of these little glitters. These are stars. I'm gonna put some of these yellow stars. And then some of these. This is the last thing I would add. They're like little microfoam beads, and I feel like they look really cool sometimes. Like, they're like really small, but they add pizzazz. It looks so cool. All right, I think that's pretty good. All right, and that is the Makeover. Okay, this one actually turned out really, really nice. It actually reminds me of the night sky like a lot because it's got like the little crystals, which remind me of like kind of like, I don't know, stars or something. I don't know, it reminds me of something, guys. Maybe aliens, I don't know. And it is so beautiful. It's got so much glitter in it. Let's choose another one. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one because
Ameerah, you forgot slime.
Let's just keep that in there. So here's this one, guys. This one is gonna be, I feel like, the hardest or something because I don't even know what to do with it. Like, oh my gosh. This is like just green slime with a bunch of gold glitter in it and it looks terrible. Okay, there's so much glitter in it. Should I like try and wash out the glitter? The glitter actually makes it look really pretty though. The only problem is the color. Ooh, I have an idea. Why don't I put a bunch of shaving cream in this so hopefully it turns white, like lighter color, so I can like change it to a different color or something. So yeah. Alrighty, so I got some shaving cream and hopefully this works. It's probably gonna dry it out too, so I'm gonna have to put some more lotion in there, even though I just activated it. What slime was this? I don't even remember. Okay, so it kind of turned like gray. So I think that's good because now I can change it to a different color. It actually kind of looks good like this. It reminds me of like winter, kind of. All right, guys, so what I decided, I'm gonna add a bunch of this blue paint because I feel like it might be able to fix it, but I don't know if I can get this color to anything else. Like, it's just gray, so that's like a mixture of all the colors. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of this blue paint and hope for the best. It kind of seems like it's working, like, oh my gosh, I am getting the paint everywhere, but I think it's working, guys. Oh my gosh, and the glitter looks like it's getting even brighter too, I think because of the color. We're gonna add some more paint, guys, because I feel like it needs a little bit more. Hopefully this fixes it. This has so much glitter in it. I think it's like 50% slime, 50% glitter. All right, guys, this is all I could do, I feel like, but I think it looks a lot better. Like, this is a before and after. I think it looks a lot better. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some foam beads because I feel like they'll look really cute. And then also some of these little crystals because I think they'll look cute too. And some of these crystals. All right, guys, let's mix it up. You know, this slime actually might be the best looking. It actually looks very nice. And I am all done with the slime, guys. Here it is. It's super jiggly and very painty. I don't even know if that makes sense, but yeah. Okay, you guys comment down below which one is your favorite, and also like my judge. Press subscribe for the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Did I get you? Let's get back to the slime. Okay, well, I think this is it for this slime. Let's get on to the next slime. Alright, next we're gonna do, guys, is let's do this one. Okay, so this one, oh, I think this one was my like favorite one. It was red with gold pigment. It was so pretty before, and now it's just a little messed up. But it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't seem that bad. I think I should be able to fix it, and yeah, here it is. All right, so it's super crunchy. I think what we should do is we should add some foam soap to try and like make this softer. All right, we're gonna add some foam soap, try and soften this up. So I softened it up, I think, a lot, so you guys can, but now I'm gonna try and make it into like a fishbowl slime with these little crystals because I feel like it'll look so cool. I'm using these crystals a lot, but they look so cool and I want to try it. So let's do it. Okay, so, well, actually let's put some glitter in it because I think it needs more glitter. It has so much glitter, but it needs more glitter. Okay, so let's put some of this holographic glitter. All right, that's I have to open it from this side. There we go. And we'll add some of these glitters. This is hearts. Orange hearts and some of these yellow stars, and I think that's good. And I'm gonna add some of these little micro foam bead things, not foam beads, they're just micro beads. All right, and then I'm gonna add these not fishbowl crystals. Okay, I'm gonna add some more. Try. There we go. They kind of fall out. Oh no. I think I need to put more foam soap or some lotion in here because they are falling out. It's actually pretty like crunchy and really nice. We should change it to orange though. All right, I'm gonna try and change this to orange by putting some yellow in here. All right, let's go ahead and mix this. Hopefully it turns orange. Alrighty guys, here it is. All right, I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think, Paul?
I think it looks amazing.
Thanks. I'm not sure if the fishbowl beads are working out so well, but they look pretty in them. And I guess you just have to be careful with the slime now. It's okay, nobody will ever know. All right, that's new and improved, whatever this slime was. Okay, guys, we gotta clean the container too because it got messy. All right, there we go. Ta-da! All right, guys, this is the last slime we're gonna do. Well, it's the last one that there is. Anyways, here it is. This, I feel like, it's one of the worst ones. It doesn't look too bad though. All right, so it's got like a big chunk of this, so we're gonna just take that out. All right, so here's the slime. It's just like a dark purple. What is that? Oh gosh, guys. I think this is the rock one. Okay, in the video, he just like got the slime and just put a whole cup of like rocks and dirt in it, and it is so disgusting. I'm just gonna take it out. All right, guys, so we have two pieces of slime here. We have this pink one where it's kind of just like pink and just, you know, normal. And then we have this one over here. It's kind of like a crunchy slime and it has rocks in it and stuff. Terrible. So we're just gonna put that to the side and we're gonna fix this right here. All right. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and turn this into a fluff slime. So we're gonna put some instant snow in it. All right, we're gonna put some water on that. Oh, wow, that looks so cool. And let's mix it. All right, let's add some more snow. I think it's going well so far. All right, let's add some water and let's keep going. All right, so now it's kind of like a cloud cream. It's not a fluff yet. All right, let's add some more water. Adding more snow. It's starting to melt, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some shaving cream. This is turning into such a interesting and weird texture, but like I like it a lot. Alrighty, here it is. I think we need to add more snow though, but like it actually activated, so that's like a very nice hack. Maybe we should just leave it like this, guys. It kind of looks cool. All right, guys, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I actually really love the texture. It turned out pretty good. Super sizzly. I think I'm gonna add some more shaving cream though. Just a little bit more. And I don't know what color we should change this to because I have no idea. If I add yellow, it could possibly turn a peachy color, but it also could really turn brown. And if I add blue, it could turn purple. I think that's the best thing to do. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna add pink into this. I feel like that might work. Yay, guys, it worked! Okay, guys, so here's the color. It looks so pretty. I love it. Now what should we add? I think we should add a lot of glitter. All right, guys, I decided I'm gonna add some more gold glitter. I'm gonna make a glitter ball because I've done that sometimes and it's the best thing. Whoa, that's a lot of glitter. Just get your ball, your slime ball, and you just cover it in glitter. And now you have a glitter ball. All right, guys, here's that glitter ball. I think it looks so cool. This should be a trend, guys, glitter ball. All right, let's do this. Oh my gosh. This actually looks so amazing, guys. All right, well, that is all I'm gonna do this one. I think it actually turned out really, really, really super duper nice. It's gonna be my favorite, I think. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I could get part of my slimeatory back. You guys comment down below if you think like anything else I can do. Hopefully this works. Hopefully I don't have to do any more of these because this was really hard, guys. And that is it. Thank you so much. And I hope I see you next time. Bye.